Okay, guys. This is a post I'm working on, and right here, this is the post we'll use to um, show you how to make your post look professional. Now, this is a title. You can see I'm working on this post. Now, look at the posts. So, all we're going to do is to, put headings in each of this paragraph. Like this heading, this is another heading. This is another heading which we can insert heading on, and that's the body. This is another heading, and this is another heading, and then we can pick any other heading to complete it. And remember, there should be at least six heading in your posts, at least six heading. So let's start with this. All you need to do is to highlight this, to highlight it, then under this paragraph select heading 1. That's it. Then we'll move to the next one, then highlight it just like this here. Highlight it, then choose heading 2, and scroll down to the next one, highlight it, and then choose heading 3, then scroll down also. It should be heading 4, so highlight it, click on heading 4. So we'll go down again, choose this, depending on anyone you want to make the heading, we'll choose this, and then this is heading 5. Then we'll scroll down. Okay, there's not much down here, so we're gonna make the 6. We're gonna put the 6th heading here. That is it, right here. And we'll choose heading 6. Okay, yes, that's just all you need. All you need in order for it to look professional. So you can continue making your post from here by adding every other thing that the post needs. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share.